Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn some daily useful English sentences which you can use in your daily conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is सच बोलने में क्या हर्ज है? What's the harm in speaking truth? What's the harm in speaking truth? किस्मत से मैं वहाँ नहीं था. Luckily I was not there. Luckily I was not there. ऐसा लगता है मैं कुछ भूल रहा हूँ. It seems I am forgetting something. It seems I am forgetting something. सुनो सबकी करो मन की. Listen to everyone, follow no one. Listen to everyone, follow no one. आप बिना वजह मुसीबत मोल ले रहे हैं. You are inviting the trouble for no reason. You are inviting the trouble for no reason. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया. I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. मुझे लगता है मैं कुछ भूल गया. I think I forgot something. I think I forgot something. पिछली बार भी आपने यही कहा था. You said the same thing last time as well. You said the same thing last time as well. तुम्हें जिम्मेदारी का एहसास होना चाहिए. You should have a sense of responsibility. You should have a sense of responsibility. ऐसा इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि मैं वहाँ नहीं था. It happened because I was not there. It happened because I was not there. आप यहाँ क्यों आना चाहते हैं? Why do you want to come here? Why do you want to come here? आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं, मैंने ये नहीं किया. Let me add to your knowledge, I didn't do it. Let me add to your knowledge, I didn't do it. मैं तुम्हें निराश नहीं करूँगा. I will not let you down. I will not let you down. मैं आपका काम चुटकियों में करवा सकती हूँ. I can get your work done at once. I can get your work done at once. हमें ऐसी गलतियाँ नहीं करनी चाहिए. We should not make such mistakes. We should not make such mistakes. बस बहुत हो गया, मुझसे बहस मत करो. Enough is enough, don't argue with me. Enough is enough, don't argue with me. मुझे पता है कि आपको मनाना कितना मुश्किल है. I know how difficult it is to convince you. I know how difficult it is to convince you. मैं लोगों की सोच नहीं बदल सकता. I cannot change people's mentality. I cannot change people's mentality. मैंने आपको यहाँ बुलाकर गलती की. I made a mistake by calling you here. I made a mistake by calling you here. मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता है. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. मुझे गुमराह मत करो. Don't misguide me. Don't misguide me. ज़िद्दी होने से सच नहीं बदलेगा. Being a stubborn will not change the truth. Being a stubborn will not change the truth. अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? मुझे ये कहानी मत सुनाओ. Don't tell me this story. Don't tell me this story. अवसर हमेशा मिलते नहीं बल्कि बनाए जाते हैं. Opportunities are not always given but created. Opportunities are not always given but created. मुझे अच्छा लगा जिस तरह आपने मुझसे बात की. I like the way you talked to me. I like the way you talked to me. ये आपके लिए आखिरी मौका है. This is a last chance for you. This is a last chance for you. तुम भी कम नहीं हो. You are also not any less. You are also not any less. मुझे ये सब नहीं पता था. I didn't know of all this. I didn't know of all this. बस कुछ दिनों की बात है. It's a matter of few days. It's a matter of few days.